Today I will teach you how to use point of sale in the automated accounting system, Botkeeping. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Type your company name, for example, I will type Shein Water, the name of the software developer, ripacmarketingsolution.com. Then enter. Once you've reached the site, click the login button. Fill in the form with your email and password. Once you've finished filling in, click sign in. Now that we've entered, proceed to the advanced module below. Click the arrow beside it. After clicking, two modules will appear. One of the modules is the point of sale module. Click the point of sale module. Once you click, three options will appear, namely, sales entry, POS reports, and stocks inventory. Before we enter these three options, let us first discuss what is point of sale. At first glance, we can say that the point of sale has a little similarity with the water refilling monitoring dashboard. For it has some similar features that of water refilling monitoring dashboard. But the point of sale is a much broader module. It can compute the total sales transaction within a day, week, month, and a year. It can also store a stock of different products. It can do both accounting and inventory processes. On top of that, it also gives the user a hint of the top selling products and top customers that frequently bought items from the business and the recent sales. Let us head on to the sales entry option. This is where all the entry of products pass. This option does not limit the entry of products to one, but the user can input multiple products on a single consumer, thus making it less tedious. Let's add an entry as sample. Type in cash as a temporary customer. Normally, we just type a single product for entry. Like this. Now we can add another product for entry. We can observe that the system accepted the additional product and computed the total amount of both items. Simply type in the buyer's payment on the amount paid section. If the buyer did not pay in full or paid an exceeding amount, the system will calculate it, and give the accurate corresponding change and balanced. After all is done, click the Save button. The third option is the POS Reports. This option contains all the essential records including sales, debt, and all customer transactions that's been done. If you want to review the history of a particular customer, the total sale of products on a specified date range, and the unpaid products, you can go to POS Reports and check. The last option is the stocks inventory. The stocks inventory stores stocks of a variety of products. The stored products is then deducted upon entry in the sales entry option. This option enables the user to track the remaining stocks of a specific product. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos about the automated accounting system, Botkeeping, click the subscribe button below, or you can visit us on our website and Facebook page in the link that is shown. Have a good day ahead.